Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Redmi Watch 5 versus a Redmi Watch 3 comparison. So the 5 one, it is water resistant as well as the Watch 3. And then the screen on the 5 is bigger than the Watch 3. And then 5 also has a bigger battery than Watch 3. 5 will work for I think 18 days while the Redmi Watch 3 will go for only 10 days, and then the price is also significantly uh, lower for the Redmi Watch 5. And as you can see, it also uses Bluetooth 5.3 versus this one which has Bluetooth 5.2. As you can see, most other features are very much similar. Hours slept, active minutes, you can see on the 5, not sure about it on the 3. So if you have to go for one, I would say that go for the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 because it has better battery life, screen size, battery power is more, Bluetooth version is higher, and the weight is also lower. As you can see, all these things. So it completely depends on you, but obviously among these two, the Watch 5 is better. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.